Welcome to our channel Genius Math and Physics. This video will be on 20 multiple choice questions which are related to your CHSE as well as the board exam of class 12th. Question number 1. Two charges A plus 5 mu coulomb and B plus 10 mu coulomb are placed in medium, then the value of FAB is to FBA is equal to dash. If I say FAB and FBA, then these are the mutual forces and their action as well as reaction forces. Action force and reaction forces are equal in magnitude. Therefore, FAB is to FBA, the magnitude will be 1:1 in the ratio. Okay? Because of, we know, magnitude of FAB is equal to magnitude of FBA. Therefore, ratio would be FAB magnitude divided by FBA magnitude is equal to 1:1. Second question, the angle of dip at the magnetic pole is dash. We know that angle of dip at the magnetic pole is 90 degree. At equator it is 0 degree and at dip and at magnetic pole it is 90 degree, which is maximum. Velocity of light is minimum in dash, glass, vacuum, water and iron. Yes, answer is iron, because of in solid the velocity of light is minimum. The correct relation between E, sigma and J are dash. E stands for electric field intensity and this one is your conductivity, electrical conductivity, and this is the current density. The relation is J equal to sigma into E. So which one is answer? C option. The correct relation between alpha and beta, if I say what is alpha and beta of a transistor? Of a transistor is dash. Yes, we know that alpha and beta are the transistor constants which are related by the formula alpha is equal to beta by 1 plus beta. Alpha is equal to beta by 1 plus beta, or I can write beta is equal to alpha by 1 minus alpha. So I think option B is correct answer. Okay, now we'll go for the next questions. Okay, next, which is the correct relation between nuclear radius and mass number of a nucleus? Yes, answer is R equal to R0 into A to the power of 1 by 3. It is completely theoretical question, fundamental based question. R equal to R0 into A to the power 1 by 3. Here A stands for the mass number of the nucleus and R0 is equal to 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 15 meter. Okay. Next is the dimensional formula for the magnetic flux. I think it is completely known to you, that is ml2t minus 2 A inverse, because of energy per area, energy for your current. Next is a wire of length 20 centimeter is cut into two equal halves. How is the resistivity or conductivity is affected? If resistivity and conductivity will be asked, then you must know that it is independent to the dimensions of the conductor. So answer would be, if it would be cut into two equal halves, or it would be multiplied for 4 times, or whatever it may be, but the wire has the same nature. A copper wire, when it will get into two halves, then it will not be converted into an iron wire. So the conductivity and resistivity both depends on the nature of the material, not on the dimension. That's why it will remain constant. Next, a 220 volt and 100 watt bulb is connected to a source of 180 volt, then power consumed will be dash. Yes, a 220 volt and 100 watt bulb, that means how much current can draw that bulb? Yes, answer I equal to P by V. P is equal to 100 watt divided by 220 volt, 100 by 220 volt. This much is equal to, you can say 0, and it is 5 by 11 ampere current. Now our question is, it is connected to a source of 180 volt. Now voltage V is equal to 180 volt. Then what is the power P? P equal to V into I. So 180 into 5, 180 into 5 by 11. 180 into 5 by 11. You will get approximately 67 watt. The point on the equatorial line of a dipole has potential is equal to dash. We know that the electric potential at a point, electric potential of a point on the equatorial line of a dipole is 0. Completely fundamental based questions. These are the questions, these 5 questions are completely fundamental based questions. You will get only the fundamental based questions in your CHSE exam. And the questions will be little bit tricky, like this. That a wire of length transition to cut into 2 equal halves, then how the resistivity will be affected. These are all fundamental based questions. Okay. Next we will go to the question number 11. Next question number 11. The relation between B, H and I where the symbols have their usual meanings. B stands for the magnetic field induction, H the horizontal component of Earth's magnetic field, I the intensity of magnetization. The relation is B is equal to H plus 4 pi I. Option D, B equal to H plus 4 pi I. You have got this relation. This is a completely fundamental based questions. And there is, its a related question is, if I divide H on both sides, then B by H is equal to 1 plus 4 pi into I by H. Here I by H is susceptibility and B by H is permeability. So mu equal to 1 plus 4 pi xi. Xi stands for the susceptibility I by H, B by H stands for the, B by H is mu, which is permeability. The relation between permeability and susceptibility, another question also. Next, the correct relation between critical angle and refractive index of a metal medium is dash. We know relation is mu equal to 1 by sin C. So C equal to sin inverse 1 upon mu. A radioactive nucleus A emits an alpha particle and 2 beta particles to produce B. Now A and B are dash. You see, the parent nucleus A and the daughter nucleus is B. If a parent nucleus emits 1 alpha and 2 beta particles, then the product would be an isotope. Next is the relation between xi and Curie temperature T. Xi is inversely proportional to T. We know this is the Curie law for a paramagnetic material. Okay. The resistivity increases with decrease in temperature in which of these substances? You know that for metallic substances, for the metallic conductors, then resistivity would increase with increase in temperature. But only for the semiconductors, the resistivity will increase with decrease in the temperature, inversely proportional to the temperature. So answer is silicon, which is a semiconductor. Option B. I have given the 4 answers: Fe, Si, copper and non. These 3 are the metals and these are the ohmic substances because of the resistance increases with increase in temperature. But silicon is the only answer. Silicon is the semiconductor in which the resistivity is inversely proportional to the temperature. Okay, now we'll proceed for the question number 16. Next, the magnification of a plane mirror is dash. A0, 1, infinity, none. You see magnification. What is the meaning of magnification? Magnification M is equal to height of the image divided by height of the object. Height of the image by height of object. Image by object. You know that in a plane mirror, height of image is same as that of height of object. Therefore, magnification is 1. Option B. The work function of a metal is 3.2 electron volts. Find the stopping potential. Stopping potential is equal to work function. How you got it? Half mv square equal to E into V naught, where V naught stands for stopping potential. So half mv square divided by E. Half mv square is 3.2 electron volt. So electron volt half mv square by E. Half mv square by E. That is EB naught by E. E cancel, only B naught. So answer is 3.2 volt. Work function is same as that of the stopping potential. Electric charge cannot be written as a dash. Q equal to 6e, Q equal to 0.5e, Q is equal to minus 3e, D none of these. We know that the electric charge is always an integral multiple of the charge of an electron. It may be positive integer or negative integer into electron. So it may be 6e right answer. Electric charge can exist, and minus 3e, minus 3 is multiplied here, but 0.5 is not an integer. Therefore this one is the right answer, that the electric charges cannot be written as Q equal to negative 0.5 into E. The correct relation between Weber, meter square and Tesla, we know that phi is equal to B into A. Phi, the magnetic flux is expressed in the unit Weber, B, the magnetic field induction Tesla, A for the area meter square. So answer is phi is equal to B into A. Therefore Weber is equal to Tesla into meter square. Option C is correct answer. Unit of lens power is dash, joule, watt, Kelvin and none of these. The lens power is expressed in the unit of diopter. D-I-O-P-T-E-R, I think, diopter. So your answer is none of these, because diopter is not in the list. These are the 20 multiple choice questions which are totally based on the fundamentals, based on the concepts. Okay, and these things are most important questions relating to your fundamental concepts.